Happy Monday. Happy trading. Nothing I'd rather be doing than trading these markets. Let's go over which stock had the greatest flow. Nope, not Apple. Not really. Coin. No for Google. No for JPM. No for Visa. And I'm going to say yes for Exxon. Flat, narrow stay. Buy, set the stop. Right. The 8. Crosses the 8. Get out. What did we do? Oh. On top. It was a break-even day today, basically, which is a good day. Today was the start of a restart, so we're going after the OV challenge to get funded. So first we did Google 5. How would we have wanted to play it? This is the Fab 5. So anything below we could have played. Look at that. Probably wouldn't have played anything until Fab 4. Extended out. Could have played this. It would have been reversed here. Played this right here. Color change. Set the stop here. Wrote that down. What we did is we basically tried to play it up instead. We saw 3 finger with price, and we looked at the 5 minute. As soon as the 5 minute crossed, did a color change on here. We went to play it up, and it was a 5 minute, so the trade took too long, so we got out of it before it even made its move. Right here, it was a profitable trade, but nothing really spectacular, except we wanted to take this move and get at least to the 20 here. That would have made a better trade. Keep in mind we could have just played that down. We didn't. We had a green takeout here, played that down. So there was moves that we could have took advantage of. So, and here's it on the 2 minute buy, set the stop. There we go. $11 we're on break. Anything happen? Not really. Well, that was a nice trade right there. Don't know why you would have gotten in it. But why you would have gotten out of it makes sense. The 200. Okay, off the 20. There you go right here. This move off the 20. as you can see right here. That's a good indication of when to get into a move off the 20. So we saw a elephant bar going down off of the 20. We saw an elephant bar going down off of the 200, so we sold here. And when we sold here, it reversed on us quickly and went up, and we got out here. This was our worst trade of the day. But then it somehow still went back down to go below further. We couldn't have held past that marker anyway. But it went down, and then you got a bull 180 right here. And that was Apple, or that was Google for the day. Our next stock is Apple. Apple, you're looking at Fab 4. You got a green bar. Set the stop here, or set the stop below. And you'd be waiting for it to break, and it didn't break. And if you held it long enough, maybe you got this. But realistically, you would have gotten out maybe right here. Oof. That's 8, so the real buy here with Apple, this is on the 5th, no wonder. Okay, so 1, 2, okay, so the 8th on Apple, you're still looking Fab 4, or you could say Fab 3, either or. If you did Fab 3 and you said red-headed stepchild, X that out, you would go here, buy, set the stop, ride that up, probably get out here, definitely get out there. We didn't catch any of that. Now you're close state right here, so we know the biggest moves happen from a close state. We look at the 5, we get a takeout, green bar takeout, or a gift zone. Here's the big green bar. Here's the gift zone takeout. You could ride that there. What I did is I did a off the 8, and I should have got in earlier, but I got in late, and I was just so hesitant that I got out real quick. Had I not, it might have made a couple more dollars, but I didn't deserve those dollars anyway. I was in it late. I didn't catch the real move. The real move was here. The initial move was here. I was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 25 minutes late. So I didn't really think I deserved to get anything on that one. Time is kind of important in this business. So next, what's it do? I don't know. Wow. we're on break. Nothing substantial, I don't think. Oof. That, you buy that right there. Hopefully you get into it here, somewhere where it's not that high. And you get to ride it. Maybe get out here. That's pretty far away from everything, so you would have known somewhere in this range that you're getting out, or even in this range. I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea to get out. Now, with that red taking over all of that, one could say bull 180, so it should be going down. And with that, you're going to go down. And maybe you see the light of day here, but it's 15, so we know it's kind of the end of the day. So this is a wide state. This is 15. Looks like it's going to continue to go down. So, but I wouldn't have been back till about 14, so I wouldn't have caught any of that. Would have just been next stock is Coin. So Coin, we have a flat state. This one's always 1, 2. Okay, we have a flat state, neutral bar, wrong color. Wait for it to take it out. You could say that this bar took it out, or you could say that this bar took it out, however you want to look at it. Set the stop right there. If you would have set the stop there, you would have got out here. If you would have waited till here, set the stop, you would have rode that. And it's just red and green, red and green, red and green. And you're riding the 8, you're riding the 8, you're riding the 8. Or you're really riding the 20. Riding the 20, riding the 20, ride the 20 till it breaks. And I'd say you get out there. And that's 11, 12. I'm done. I'm going to lunch. What happens though? Let's see, we get back at 14. Anything bold happened during lunch? Just back and forth, just back and forth. That's kind of bold. We get back during lunch and we make a move here. We basically saw this move off the 8 and this move off the 8 and said, okay, it's going down. This is an elephant bar right here. So we sell into the elephant bars. The mistake is not reselling more right here. We should have sold more right there, and we got out right here, which was a quick get out. But that was towards the end of the day, so you should have sold more and then got out here. The next stock is Chase. 1, 2. Chase. This is perfect right here. This narrow state. You get a green bar above it, although that was yesterday clearing, so nothing to worry about. Your first bar for today was this one, so you buy into it, get there, get out, falls about same same length of that it raised. So you're like, okay, sell time, little bump up. That's exciting for you because you're going to put more sell orders there, and then crashes down. And then you get the green bar takeout here, micro whale. You can take advantage of that. It's perfect because these are close. So know close is when the biggest moves happen. You see a move up here, you buy into it. Let's see what happens. Get out. Lunchtime. Stays close. The 3, 1, 2, 3. Waiting for a big move. Big move, sell. Set the stop. Would have got out. This would have got you right back in. Sell. Looks like it's not trying to go down. The stop was there. This takeout, bought more. I'd get out basically because of this bar right here. But you shouldn't even be trading it. I mean, this is lunchtime. This is wild time. I won't even really go over this. I'll just wait till I get back. Because that's kind of a wild period. 14, we're back. We get this right near the strongest flat 200. You get an upward sign. You get a greenward about 80%. Bar takeout. Ride that up. Oof. Maybe, hopefully we got some of that. But then right here, more of right here. You get a tail bar off of a 200. Set the stop. Let it ride. Probably get out some. Let it come back. Green bar takeout, add more, ride it down. So the stocks we didn't cover, we didn't go over Visa. We didn't do Visa. The 8th. That would have been today. Fab 4. Wrong color. Red, you could play that down. Your best bet is position of power, green bar takeout, ride that down. You got a green bar takeout here. Looks like that would have been 1036. Your 1036. Should have known after you went past this 200, you didn't have too much to go. And this is just wide. So I'd be looking for an up move. But if we're looking here, we're like, this is growing, position of power. So I'd be looking for a down move on the 5 minute. So this is actually conflicting here. So I'm going to go with the larger time frame. So expect a down move. Went with the down move. That's a sign to go up. That's a sign to go up. But 14, we're back at it. There we go. Probably get out here. Let's see what this is looking like. Probably get out here. Then that's a flat 200. The 20 is right here. It's pretty far away. What we could do is we could sell right here, see what happens. Well, see what it looks like on the 2 minute. This is a range. You get an elephant bar off of a 200. You sell into that, set the stop. You get so that's Visa. What's another one we didn't do? Apple. We did Apple. We did Coin. Exxon. We didn't do Exxon. So Exxon. Oof. Look at this. Perfect. Fab 4. Green bar, set the stop, ride it up. You could have even caught it off of the 8. Ride it up. Get out there. So there. This is a pretty hard dip. So you'd set the stop. Elephant bar. Just check to see what you're going to lose. See if it's worth it. Stayed within the 3rd. Does it drop? Looks like it drops. Is it worth your time? I don't know. But it drops. Now it's trying to come back up. I would have been out way back here. Right here, 1330. You got the green bar takeout or bull 180. 1, 2, away. You got a nice move right there. That's probably right here. And then you get another one right on the 200. Take that as well. Those are all the stocks that we played this Monday. Again, we reset the challenge for OV, so we're trading for the cash now. We're trying to get into the club that trades the cash. So no more play. Have a great one. See ya.